Okay, good. Okay, and now we are moving to the pad type. It is right hand side of the form algebraic. Algebraic means x power 1, 2, 3 or y power 1, 2, 3. X power m, y power s. This way is coming. The previous class we have seen trigonometrical and exponential. So this is algebraic. This is very important. Definitely among the three combinations, algebraic definitely coming. Algebraic, trigonometric, exponential, or product of algebraic and trigonometric. Okay. So last class itself I showed this formula. The left hand side function of d comma d dash. The right hand side x power m, y power n. By usual way only finding the complementary function. Particular integral only little different. This is the way to get the particular integral 1 by f of d comma d dash into x power m, y power n. All the time you have to choose the highest power of d common out. Highest power of d common out. Otherwise, on the other way, highest power of d dash also can take it common out. This is the second way. Highest power of d dash also can take it common out. That case, if m is greater than n, take d outside. Or m is less than n, take d dash outside. Either highest power arco, other. After that, the denominator adjusted and rewrite in the form of 1 plus x and 1 minus x form. 1 plus x and 1 minus x form. 1 by 1 minus x equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube this way. And 1 by 1 plus x means denominator plus means plus minus already coming positive and minus. Positive and negative. Into x power m, y power n. Okay, students, we have to remember that dou means dou by dou x means d. Dou by dou y means d dash. Dou by dou x means d. Dou by dou y means d dash. Now it will start the first problem. Solve d square minus 2d d dash of z equal to e power 2x plus x cube y. Here two right hand side given. One is exponential and another one is algebraic. For exponential, find particular 1. For algebraic, this particular integral 2. Before that, find out the complementary function. To make the complementary function, get the auxiliary equation. To get auxiliary equation, replace d by m and d dash by 1 and z by 1 and right hand side 1. After these changes, this equation 1 will become m square minus 2m equal to 0. It means m into m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 0, 2. This is distinct root. For distinct root, you are knowing the procedure to get the complementary function f1 of y plus 0x plus f2 of y plus 2x. This is complementary function. Now, we will move on to the particular integral. This particular integral 1 by d square minus 2d d dash into e power 2x. Here exponential here, x only is there, y is missing. So, we can write as e power 2x plus 0. It means d dash is replaced by 0 and d is replaced by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2. So, d equal to, it is replaced by 2 square 4 and d dash equal to 0, 2 into 0 equal to 0. So, 1 by 4 e power 2x. This is particular integral 1. And particular integral 2, 1 by d square minus 2d d dash of x cube y. So, here, students, can you respond? What is the highest power of d here? D out of பெரிய power என்ன? d square. Okay. d square clear? d square. X the highest power. Another d the common எடுத்துக்கோங்க. d ஓட highest power d square. So d square take it outside. So this, when you are taking this d square outside, this d square will become 1 minus this 2d d dash by this d square coming and 1 d and d dash, d and d cancel. The rest of the part is 1 minus 2 d dash by d. So I already told the denominator adjust and rewrite in the form of 1 plus x or 1 minus x form. Now this 1 by d square case, take it outside, rest of the part 1 by 1 minus 2 d dash by d of x cube y. Now this part you will bring it to the numerator. 1 by d square of 1 minus 2 d dash by d. Any one of you, can you tell me the formula of 1 minus x whole power minus 1? 1 minus x whole power minus 1.
1 plus x plus x square.
Very good. X பதிலாக என்ன இருக்கு பாருப்பா? X பதிலாக என்ன இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க? 2 d dash by d இருக்கா? Very good. அப்போ 1 plus this is x and this one is x square. X square means 4 d dash by d whole square, that is d dash square by d square plus so on and going on. Next இது அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும். இது என்ன பண்ணணும்னா வந்து டெர்மினேட் எது வரைக்கும் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணலன்னா x ஓட பவர் வந்து 3, y ஓட பவர் வந்து 1. y how many times பண்ணா வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும்? How many times we are taking the derivative and get the value? சரி, இப்படி ரிவர்ஸ்ல கேட்கிறேன். dou by dou y of y என்ன போறோம்? y ஒரு முறை பண்ணா 1 ஆயிடும். 1 மறுபடியும் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 0 ஆயிடும். ஸோ y ஓட மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு டைம் தான் can take the derivative. It means d dash வந்து 1 டைம் தான் வரணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் x cube இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது வந்து d. x cube how many time டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா நான் 0 வரும்பா? சொல்லுங்க. x cube x பொறுத்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ண வரும்பா? x cube x வெரி குட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் முறை பண்ணா வெரி குட் 3x ஸ்கொயர், அடுத்தது 6x, அடுத்தது 6, மறுபடியும் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 0 ஆயிடும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3x ஸ்கொயர், தென் 6x, தென் 6, அடுத்த டைம் 0 ஆயிடும். ஸோ நம்ம 0 டைம் எல்லாருமே ஒமிட் பண்ண போறோங்க. 0 ஒமிட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதனால என்ன பண்ணுங்க, ஒமிட்டிங் த ஹையர் பவர் ஆஃப் d dash. ஏன் சார் d dash பவர் ஒமிட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா x cube y இருக்கு இல்லையா, x cube yல y மேக்ஸிமம் 1 டைம் only we have to take the partial derivative. ஒரே ஒரு முறை மட்டும் தான் y டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 0 ஆயிடும். அதனால இந்த d dash square of y என்ன வரும்பா? எனி ஒன் ஆஃப் யூ ப்ளீஸ் டெல் மீ. எப்பவுமே give the priority to the numerator. நியூமரேட்டர் தான் priority கொடுக்கணும். அப்புறம் தான் டினாமினேட்டர் வரணும். d dash square of y, d dash of y என்ன வரும்?
1.
வெரி குட். மறுபடியும் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா
0.
வெரி குட். அப்போ d dash ஸ்கொயர் போட்டீங்கன்னா 2 டைம் பண்ணாவே இந்த y கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். அப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிறது 3, அடுத்தது 4, இப்படி போயிட்டே இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது எல்லாமே 0 ஆயிடுறதுனால we are omitting the higher power of d dash. Can you get clear idea why we are writing this omitting the higher power of d dash? சொன்னது எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதுமா? this is a very important place. இங்கே தான் உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா அது ஃபுல் ப்ராப்ளம் புரியாது. y ஓட பவர் 1, அப்போ d dash ஓட பவர் 1 வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கணும். 1க்கு மேலே போச்சுன்னா இது 0 ஆயிடும். அதனால we have to omit the higher power of d dash. Now the third term will automatically omitting. Rest of the 2 term is 1 plus 2 d dash by d. 1 plus 2 d dash by d of x cube y. 1 plus 2 d dash by d of x cube y. Now this 1 by d square as it is 1 into x cube y, so x cube y. 2 d dash by d of x cube y. It means give the priority to numerator. So it can be split up by 2 by d into d dash of x cube y. But d dash of y is 1, therefore 2 1 by d x cube. Second in the step. Next 1 by d square as it is, x cube y as it is, plus 2 x cube of 1 by d means integrating with respect to x. 1 by d dash means integrating with respect to y. Students remember that 1 by d means integrating with respect to x. 1 by d dash means integration with respect to y. So x cube oda integration சொல்லுங்க. Just tell me x cube oda integration. Any one of you? X cube integration?
X power 4 by 4.
Very good. So x power 4 by 4. The 1 by d means integration இருக்கும். So 2x power 4 by 4. So 2 and 4 cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம். Now coming to the outside. Outside வந்து 1 by d square இருக்கு. 1 by d square na integrating with respect to x how many times?
2 times.
2 times. Very good. So first time integrate பண்ணீங்கன்னா x cube by x போட்டு integrate by x power 4 by 4 into y plus The 2 by 4 x power 4 clear. அதை x integrate பண்ணினா x power 5 by 5 வரும். Again you can integrate now. This x power 4 will become x power 5 by 5 into 4 half y plus x power 6 by 6. Clear? The steps I will give a 2 minutes time. Read out and get within your mind how all the steps are coming. இது அப்படியே நிறுத்துறேன், ஒரு 2 minutes time கொடுக்குறேன். எந்த ஸ்டெப்ல டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. This is a very eliminate, very small problem. நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் கொஞ்சம் லாங்கா இருக்கு, 3 terms இருக்கு, only 2 terms இருக்கு. அதனால இது புரியுதான்னு பாருங்க. புரியல எந்த ஸ்டெப் புரியலையோ அங்கேயே சொல்லுங்க, வில் ஸ்டாப் இட். கேர்ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க, டவுட் இருக்கு. Yes. Anyone of you having any doubt? Yes.
No, sir.
Please respond. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Oh. Hello.
Sir.
Sir,
இல்ல,
voice
இல்லைங்க.
break ஆகுது sir.
எனக்கு தான் கேட்கல, அவங்க யாருக்குமே கேட்கலையாடா?
யாருமே கேட்கலடா.
சரி சரி சரி.
இப்படா இல்லையா?
சார் இல்லடா.
இல்லடா அவரு
கரண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆனா ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது.
ஓ, நடத்தல் தானே.
ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது. ஆமா.
தம்பி கேக்குதாப்பா? இட் ஆடியபிள்?
கேக்குது சார்.
ஒரு விண்டோ ஓப்பன் ஆயிடுச்சு, கொஞ்சம் இருங்க. ஷேர் பண்ணு. எஸ், தெரியுதா?
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, இந்த ப்ராப்ளம். Okay, the last of the previous problem, 1 by d of x power 4y by 4 plus x power 5 by 10. This is particular integral 2. Students, is it audible? Kekda thambi?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now the original solution, that is general solution of equation 1 equal to complementary function plus particular integral 1 and plus particular integral 2. You have to write it entire thing. Don't stop up to here. Z equal to complementary function plus PI1 plus PI2. இதோட stop பண்ணக்கூடாது. You have to write entire thing. Z equal to f1 of y plus f of y plus 2x plus 1 e power
பிரேக் ஆகுது
2x
சார்.
plus x power 5y by 20 plus x power 6 by 6. Up to these steps, you have to write it. And take it this problem as homework. Okay. இப்போ கேட்குதா பாரு, இப்போ எடுத்துக்கலாம். கேட்குதா?
எஸ் சார்.
ஹலோ,
கேக்குது சார்.
எஸ். ஓகே, next problem. So d square minus 6, okay, 6d d dash plus 5d dash square of z equal to e power x sin hy plus xy. The sin hy can convert into exponential form. E power xy minus e power minus xy by 2. That way, can multiply this e power x in the bracket, you will get the answer. This xy problem, it is similar to the previous one. Next one, solve d square minus d d dash minus 2 d dash square of z equal to 2x plus 3y plus e power 3x plus 5. This problem also similar only. I will send the notes for these homework problem. If you have to try it, if it is not possible, tell me what are the problems you are not unable to do. I will send the answer, full answer. Next problem. Okay, next problem, d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6 d dash cube of z equal to x square y the sine of x plus 2y. Students, right hand side, what are the parts, sir? Can you tell me? Just see the screen and tell me. Right hand side, என்னென்ன இருக்கு? What are the terms?
Sin
Yes,
of
just
x
tell me.
plus 2y.
Right hand side, என்னென்ன terms இருக்கு? Very good.
X
Plus,
square y.
ரெண்டு term இருக்கு. One is algebraic and very good. Algebraic x square y வந்து algebraic. Sin of x plus 2y என்றது trigonometric. So PI1 first. First you have to complete the trigonometry part, then go to the algebraic. இப்படி என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் முடிக்கிறாங்க. நார்மலா this is the given problem. Given problem is taken as d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6 d dash cube of z equal to sin of x plus 2y plus x square y. This is considered as equation. By method of get the actual equation is, yes, replace d by m and d dash by 1 and z equal to 1, and right hand side make it as 0. It will become m cube minus 7m minus 6 equal to 0. It's a cubic equation. Let us solve it using a calculator or synthetic division or any other method identity. Any one method you can adopt here. Our aim is to find out the solution of this equation. Solution is m equal to minus 1, minus 2, 3. Yes, students, can you tell me the roots are different or equal or? Yes.
Different, sir.
சொல்லுப்பா, கேக்குதா?
Different, sir.
Different. Hello, sir.
இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறப்பயா.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Who is the class now?
Good.
Good morning,
Max
sir.
class, sir. Sivan sir
Sivan
class.
sir.
Sorry,
Sivan, sir.
Sivan is not
Hello.
came till now.
Yes, sir. He
No,
came.
sir. He was
Network
taking it, but he had some technical issues, so that he had to go.
Oh, so
Yeah.
already joined the classes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Sivan, என்ன ப்ராப்ளங்களா சிவன்?
இல்ல சார் நெட் திடீர்னு கட் ஆகி வந்துச்சு அதான் 2
சரி
மினிட்ஸ்
சரி சரி.
அதை
ஓகே ஓகே.
கனெக்ட் கட் ஆகி இதோ வந்து சார் Yes, PI2. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So PI2 1 by D minus 7 D D dash square minus 6 D dash cube of X cube y. So highest power of D is 3. So take D cube outside because the right hand side X square y. So highest power of X and Y is X is the highest power. Therefore we are taking the D cube term outside. So D cube take it outside. Rest of the part 1 minus the 7D D dash cube. Sorry, D dash square. Here minus 6 D dash cube by D cube. All the terms divided by the D cube term. Therefore the first term will become 1. Here only 1 D is there. So 1 D is cancelled. Rest of the part 7 D dash square by D square minus 6 D dash cube by D cube of this X square y. Now the denominator we are adjusted and writing in the form of either 1 plus x or 1 minus x form. So here also minus common and here also minus common. Take it minus outside. Rest of the part 7 d dash square by d square. When you are taking this minus common, it will become plus. So 7 in the minus common term will become plus and this term will become minus. So 1 minus 7 d dash by d square minus 6 d dash cube by d cube. அப்படிங்க புரியுதா இந்த ஸ்டெப்பு? காம்பனன்ட்ல என்ன வரும் தெரியுதா? ஹலோ ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ், கேன் யூ ரெஸ்பாண்ட்?
Yes, sir. Yes.
எஸ், இங்க ரெண்டு மைனஸ் இருக்கு. இந்த ரெண்டு மைனஸ் இருக்குன்னா இங்க வந்து நியூ மிடில் வந்து பிளஸ் ஆயிடும். அதர்வைஸ் தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி வே. இங்க நடுவில் இங்க மைனஸ் this term also plus and this term also plus. You will bring it to the numerator. Numerator set போங்க. Numerator set போனீங்கன்னா 1 plus x ஓட expansion சொல்ல முடியுமா? 1 plus x ஓட expansion 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. Alternative term plus and minus coming. Alternative term plus and minus coming. Therefore 1 plus of 7 d dash square by d square minus 6 d dash cube by d cube. இதுல எந்த term மிஸ் ஆகல. Plus dot dot of x square y. Now we have to operate this 1 of x square y plus 7 d dash square by d square of x square y minus 6 d dash cube by d cube of x square y. So what is the highest power of d dash here? Highest power of d dash. Yes, can you respond?
3.
Highest power of d dash 3. Okay. அப்போ y 3 time derivative எடுத்தா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? y 3 time y 0. Very good. Therefore, this d dash cube term also 0. Next term, d dash square. D dash square means how many times you have to take the derivative?
2 times.
Yes, 0. Automatically, in the rendu term is 0. All the terms we can neglect. Higher power of d dash is we are neglecting. This term also 0 and this term also 0. Therefore, 1 by d cube of this term fully 0. 1 into x square y. Therefore, x square y. So, 1 by d cube of x square y. Now, d cube means triple integration with respect to x or y.
Yes.
Yes, can you respond?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So here x square is there, this y as it is. X square one time derivative x cube by 3. Next x power 4 by 4. X power 5 or 5y by this 1 by d cube of x square y. It is partially differentiation integration அப்பா என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
Integration.
Yes,
Integration.
very good. Differentiate சொல்லிட்டேன். d cube 3 time integrate பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So x square integrate x cube by 3. Next x power 4 by 4. Next x power 5 by 6. All the denominator combine and multiply. Finally x power 5y by 60. This is particular integral. Already we found the particular integral 1 final solution. Complementary function plus particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. Next problem. This is type 4. Type 4 means the combination. Combination of function on the up to the previous step, algebraic, exponential, trigonometric, all are coming in the addition form. Here are coming in the multiple. First one is either trigonometrical with algebraic and algebraic with exponential and exponential with trigonometrical. The thing is that always the function coming product, one function must be exponential form. One function must be exponential form. Then only we can reduce it. This is fourth step. This is a very important problem. Many times it was asked and type 4 common to all the types. All types you can follow this procedure. Particularly 1 by d minus m1 d dash d minus m2 d dash of f of x y means this is the given function. Its integration. First you have to operate the second term or first term. Any one term can operate first. So here they are operating second term. Therefore first term you have to keep it outside. The formula of 1 by d minus m d dash of capital F of x comma y equal to integral of f of x comma c minus mx, because this y we have to replace in terms of x using one constant. So you have to remember that y x convert பண்றாங்க. Integral of f of x comma c minus mx into dx, where y equal to c minus x. This is the procedure. Every time you have to replace y by c minus mx. After integration, substitute the c value and reduce here. So first problem, solve r plus s minus 60 equal to y cos x. Students, can you remember r means second derivative with respect to x, s means second derivative with respect to x and y, t means second derivative with respect to y. So r plus s minus 60 equal to y cos x. Therefore, the given equation can be written as dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou x dou y minus 6 into dou square z by dou y square equal to y cos x. First, we have to find out the complementary function first. How to get the complementary function? Before getting the complementary function, make the operator form. This is called derivative form. From this derivative form, you have to make it the operator form. Operator form is d square plus d dash minus 6 d dash square of z equal to y cos x. Now, get the actual equation. Replace d by m and d dash by 1 and z by 1 and make it a right hand side equal to 0. Therefore, m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. It will become m minus 2 and m plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 2 and minus 6. The roots are different equal roots. So, students, can you tell me? Equal roots or unequal roots or?
Unequal.
Very good. Unequal roots, you know how to make the complementary function. So, complementary function equal to f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x. After this, let us stop. So, take the break. At 10:30, you can come and join here. So, 2 more minutes, please wait. This is type 4. From this type, any doubt you are having, you ask me. This is a new type, the combination function.
Sir, next class உங்களுதா sir?
ஆமாப்பா, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்து 10:30க்கு முத்து சர்வரில் வந்து எடுக்கிறேன். 10:30க்கு வந்துருங்க. ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்குமா? ப்ரீவியஸ் இதில் இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் டவுட் இருந்தால் கேளுங்க. இது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். மெனி டைம் இட் வாஸ் ஆஸ்க்டு. 3 ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எழுதுவாங்க, 3 வகையாக எழுதுவாங்க. ஒன்று r + s - 60 = y cos x. இதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது, y sin x ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம். இந்த y cos x ஒன்று, y sin x ஒன்று. ஆர் derivative form of the dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou x dou y minus 6 into dou square z by dou y square equal to y cos. This way, r d square plus d d dash minus 6 d dash square. இப்படி எழுதுவாங்க. Complementary function form பண்ண procedure இல்லையா? First to make the actual equation. To get the actual equation, replace d by m and d dash by 1 and z equal to 1 and right hand side equal to 0. By making this substitution, we will get this m square plus m minus 6. And the usual way for solving. Anybody having doubt? Is a doubt irukappa?
No sir.
Okay pa. We will wind up this session. Please join by 10:30. Take a 15 minutes break and relax yourself and join sharp at 10:30. Okay, take care. Okay, fine.